In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to creatively manipulate your video speed using CapCut. To get started, open up your CapCut app and initiate a brand new project. You'll find it on the main screen as soon as you launch the app. Starting fresh allows you the freedom to experiment and reshape video clips as you see fit. Remember, CapCut is a handy tool packed with features that cater to both beginners and more seasoned video editors. Once your project is open, the next step is to import your video clip to the timeline. This timeline is your working space where all video editing magic happens. Importing is quite simple. You can either choose a file stored on your device or access media from your recent files. Just ensure your video clip is clearly defined, because it's here that you'll witness the transformations you apply. With your video clip now sitting comfortably on the timeline, the next step is to focus on adjusting its speed. This is where CapCut shows its prowess. Look for the speed icon, which you'll find in the toolbar. Clicking on this icon will present you with options. Your focus should be on selecting Curve. This takes your speed editing from basic linear changes to something more dynamic and customizable. Once you're in the Curve menu, there's a choice to make. CapCut offers presets such as Montage that provide a polished, ready-to-go effect. Selecting a preset is perfect if you're seeking instant results that deliver a professional touch. However, if you're feeling a bit adventurous, or if you desire a distinctive look, you might consider customizing your curve. This customization feature allows you to sculpt the speed, ideally suited to the mood or feel you want your video to project. Now, it's time to add points along the curve. These points are crucial as they define where and how the speed variations occur throughout your clip. Click to add a point on the curve, and once placed, you can drag these points up to speed things up or down to slow them to a crawl. This adjustment offers you the flexibility to highlight intense moments with a burst of speed or add drama to a segment by slowing things down. Experiment with these speed variations to maintain the visual engagement of your audience. Whether you want your sequence to unfold rapidly, to create excitement, or linger to draw in detail, the choice is yours. Don't be afraid to press play and watch your clip as many times as necessary to get the right effect. And there you have it, a concise exploration of altering video speeds using CapCut. Just by tweaking the velocity, you can transform a straightforward video into a captivating story. Enjoy experimenting with your videos, and remember, practice makes perfect with these creative endeavors.